So who's interested in a family dog? Huh? That's Bull right there. He's latchkey ready. Where's your stick, man? Get that stick. Get that stick, boy. Get it. Bring it to me. Get the stick. Go get it. Let me get it for you, huh? Let me get it for you. Ah, now you want to get it. Come here. Good boy. Let me see it. Come here. Come here. Let me see it. Let me get the stick. Let me get the stick, man, huh? Let me get the stick. You want to go get it. It's real hot down here in Oklahoma. Bull, you're a good boy. Hey, sit. Good boy, up here, up here. Hey, sit. That's a good boy. Good Bull. Hey. Down. Good boy. Bull, here. Good boy, it's okay. Hey, sit. You know better. Bull, sit. Why you come here and be like that? He's okay, boy. He's okay. Good boy. Family companion dog with the potential to be a great protection dog as well. If you're interested in Bull, he's available. Good boy. Hey, go get in your pen. Go. Go get in the pen. Good boy. That's a good boy. Bull. It's okay. That's my man. That a man. That a boy. That a good boy. Who's out here? Psst. Who's out here? Huh? Who's out here, Bull? Watch him then. Ah, leave him alone. He's okay. Good boy. Good boy. He's just to get you, Jackson. All right, we're out.